Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears recipe easy guide. Start by blooming gelatin in cold juice for 5 minutes, then warm gently until dissolved but not boiling. Add sweetener and optional citric acid for tang, pour into silicone molds, chill until set, and unmold carefully. Store in an airtight container in the fridge to keep texture and freshness, and tweak sweetness to taste for perfect homemade gummies. Gather 2 cups of juice, 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 2 to 4 tablespoons of sweetener, and optional 1/4 teaspoon citric acid. Cold juice helps the gelatin bloom properly, and a digital kitchen scale keeps portions consistent. Silicone molds make unmolding easy and are reusable, while a small saucepan and whisk keep heating gentle and even. Having everything pre-measured speeds the process, and bloom gelatin in cold juice for 5 minutes, then warm the mixture gently while stirring until it reaches about 120 degrees F and is fully dissolved. Add sweetener and citric acid if using, taste, and adjust sweetness before pouring. Use a dropper or small pitcher to fill silicone molds neatly, refrigerate for at least 2 hours until set, then press from the back to release each gummy. Dust lightly with cornstarch if sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.